Hello, welcome back to another math video. Today we'll be talking about permutations and combinations word problems. So the instruction is, state if each situation or scenario involves a permutation or a combination. Then find the number of possibilities. So number 1, you are setting the combination on a 4-digit lock. You want to use the numbers 10, 9, 6, but don't care what order they are in. Now, this question is a bit tricky because of the word combination and don't care what the order they are in. Most people would say this is a combination problem, but in reality, this is actually a permutation problem. Why? Because again, remember, this is a 4-digit lock. So if you have a 4-digit lock, remember again, order does matter. Alright? If the first digit is 1, 0, 9, 6. You cannot open this lock if you input 0, 1, 9, 6. Alright? You cannot do that. So again, this is a permutation problem. So how do we find the number of possibilities or ways to create the combinations of numbers? So again, this is just equal to 4 permutation 4, right? So this will give us 24. How is that possible? Remember, permutation is given by, alright, so we have NPR. This is just equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. So in our case, our n is actually 4, alright, so 4 factorial over, what is n? 4, right? Minus r, 4. So this is 0 factorial. And remember, 0 factorial is just 1. So again, 24 over 1 is just 24. So in the calculator, what we can do is again, this is equal to 4 factorial over 0 factorial. And again, that gives us 24. Or you can also do it this way, for shift permutation 4. Again, that will give us 24 as the correct answer. Let's have number 2. A team of 8 basketball players needs to choose a captain and a co-captain. So basically, we have captain and a co-captain. So this is just equal to 8 permutation 2. Alright, so this will give us what? 8 factorial over, what is 8 minus 2? 6 factorial, or this is just equal to 56. So the correct answer will be permutation 56. Right? Or you can also do it this way. Choosing a captain, we have 8 possible ways, times choosing a co-captain, we have 7 possible ways. And again, this will give us 56. And in the calculator, this is just 8 permutation 2. Again, this is 56. Let's have number 3. The batting order for 7 players on a 11-person team. So again, we're talking about the order will be the first, the second, the fourth, the third, the fifth, the sixth, and so on and so forth. So again, a permutation problem. So we have 11 permutation 7, right? So 7. So this will give us 11 factorial over, what is 11 minus 7? That's 4 factorial, or this will give us what? We have 11 factorial over 4 factorial. That gives us, let me just correct that one. That should be factorial, right? So we have 1,663,200 possible ways, which is again letter C, right? So again, in the calculator, this is just 11 permutation 7. So again, the same answer. Number 4. The student body of 180 students wants to elect a president, a vice president, and a secretary. So we have president, vice, and a secretary. So again, this problem is just 180 permutation 3, right? So this is equal to 180 factorial over what's 180 minus 3? 177 factorial, which is again equal to letter D, 5,735,160. So let me just show that one the calculator. So we have 180 permutation 3. Again, that's 5,735 and 160. Now, maybe as you solve this problem in the calculator, you will input 180 factorial, and then again over 177 factorial, and encounter this problem, math error. Now, the main reason why it is saying math error because the number is quite big, alright? The calculator is unable to display the numbers. So again, it's better to use this one, alright? 180 permutation 3, right? Or you can also do it this way. Choosing a president, we have 180 possible ways, times choosing a vice president, we have 179, and then for the secretary, we have 178. So again, if you're going to multiply these three numbers, you will end up getting the same result. So you have 180 times 179 times 178. Again, this will give you the same results or outcome. Number 5. We have selecting which 8 players will be in the batting order on a 9-person team. Now this time, the word selecting suggests that we are dealing with a combination problem. Alright, so this is just equal to 9, choose 8, or this is just equal to 9 factorial over 8 factorial times what is 9 minus 8, that is times 1 factorial. Alright, or this is just 9. So number 5 is just 9 possible ways. So to check the calculator, we have 9. Combination, we have 8, right? 8. So again, this is just 9. Or we can also do it this way, 9 factorial over, we have 8 factorial times 1 factorial. Again, that gives us 9. Now, maybe you're wondering, why is it that I am using this and then the calculator? Because again, I am trying to show you that there are different ways to solve this problem, and whichever way you choose, it will always give you the correct answer as long as your process or your numbers, your input are correct. Number 6. Carlos has homework assignments in 5 subjects. He only has time to do 3 of them. So again, this is a combination problem. We have 5 subjects. Choose 3 equals 5 factorial times 3 factorial. What is 5 minus 2? Minus 3. That is just 2 factorial. So this will give us 10 possible ways. So this is 10. Letter C. Let's try to recheck. We have 5 factorial. Oops. We have 5 factorial over 3 factorial, right? That's 3 times 2 factorial. Again, that will give us 10. Or you can also do it this way, 5 combination 3. Again, this will give you 10 possible ways. Let's have number 7 and 8. Selecting which 10 players will be in the batting order on an 11-person team. So again, the word selecting suggests this is a combination problem. So this is just 11 choose 10. Alright. So again, this is 11 factorial over 10 factorial times what is 11 minus 10? 1 factorial, or simply 11 possible ways. So this is just 11, which is letter A. Let's try to check. We have, this is 11 choose 10. Right, so that's 11. Or you can also do it this way. 11 factorial over 10 factorial times 1 factorial, which is just equal to 1. Alright, that's 11. Number 8. The student body of 180 students wants to elect 3 representatives. Now, 3 representatives. So meaning to say we don't really care the order. We just want to elect 3 representatives out of this 180 students. So again, this is a combination problem. 180 choose 3. So this is just equal to 180 factorial. We have 3 factorial times, what's 180 minus 3? 177 factorial. Now, in the calculator, again, if we will input this one directly, it will give us a math error because again of the how big the numbers are. Alright, let me just show you. That's times 177. So again, that's math error for you. But if you're going to make use of this 180 choose 3, again it will give us the correct answer, which is 955,860, which is again letter D. Alright, so that's it for this video. And again, if you do have questions, please feel free to inform me using the comment section, and please do watch our other videos about permutation, especially the introductory part, because that will help you to understand what we are doing right now. Thank you.